What is up, it's Reese Tafso back with another video. Today I'm talking about growing on YouTube and everything I've learned from watching different YouTube videos and how it's worked out for me. Now I only have around 450 subs, around that, not exactly that, but I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I hope you guys can help me do this. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's get right into this video. So when trying to grow on YouTube, you want to create videos that are engaging. Videos that people actually want to watch and have meaning to them. You can't create a video of just anything. No one wants to watch stupid things. They want to be entertained. Now, some stupid things are entertaining, such as things that Logan Paul and Jake Paul do. They are pretty stupid, no offense, but it's entertaining to watch, and that's why they have so many subscribers. Now, when doing these things, such as me bringing you information, that's another thing you can do. You can bring information. And when bringing information, that actually brings value to their life. Now, entertaining people creates value to their life too, because this solves their boredom problem, especially with this pandemic going around. Everyone is bored and wants to find something to do. So this is something for them to do and watch your videos, learn, or be entertained. Now, your videos don't need to be high quality, but they do need to be something that they can watch. If they are watching something that literally makes them cringe because it's so badly edited, they aren't going to keep watching. It's what I do, it's what everyone else does. They don't want to watch something that's horrible. So make sure your editing is decent and your video camera quality is decent, your audio quality is decent. Once you have this down, make sure you have channel art and your profile picture is good. Now, when you have all this down, what do you want to create in your YouTube videos? Your YouTube videos want to be something like informational or something entertaining. Now, I already said that. Now, let's go more into detail. What would be considered entertaining? Doing something that people actually find funny or they find sad, like a TV show. Imagine a TV show such as The Office.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
And people want to watch that because there's a whole bunch of different niches it goes into, making you laugh, making you sad, making you happy, making you joyful, things you can relate to. And that's entertainment. Entertainment brings you something that you can watch and you won't get bored of. Now, when bringing information, you want to bring something that has value to them. You can't just be talking about random things unless you're a fact channel that just gives facts out. Now, if you're bringing information, you want information that people actually want. You don't want just some crappy information that you found off BuzzFeed, you want something that people actually want to watch. So create information that people want. Look on YouTube for things that people want. Go on YouTube, go to the search bar and type in how to and see what people are looking for. When you see the first results are what people are looking for, and this way you know what people want. Create this, and then you also want to create keywords. When creating keywords, if you guys don't know what this is, whenever you go to YouTube Studio, you can then edit your videos and put channel tag words, I believe they're called, or something. And you can put in keywords, tag words, and you type in how to blank or how to do this, and then you hit enter. And whenever someone searches that up, that's a keyword that people will, that the YouTube system will show your video more because people are searching up words that are in your tag words. Now, when creating a YouTube video, I don't know if you want an intro. I don't do an intro because if you have subscribers that actually watch your YouTube videos, they don't want to watch an intro on repeat and no, they just want to get straight to the video. Now, I know it can be good for branding, but if you're just trying to get subscribers to people who want to keep subscribed to you, then you got to create something that people actually want to watch and not just be bored of because of the same intro every time. Now, an outro is something that you can definitely do because subscribers don't have to watch the outro, but people who are new to the channel can watch the outro and see some new things, Now, one more thing before I wrap up this video is YouTube is a platform that has a lot of people on it. Don't get discouraged if your videos aren't blowing up. Don't get discouraged if your videos aren't going anywhere. Don't get discouraged if you aren't getting subscribers fast. Make sure you share your channel with your friends and family. Your friends and family are going to be your first subscribers. Then whenever you do that and you make a video, it may get a few subscribers depending on how many views you get. Make sure these videos are meaningful and actually have a reason to be watched. The more videos you create, the more likely you are to get subscribers. Make sure you create videos on a weekly basis because you want to be able to get the watch time and you want to get subscribers on a weekly basis. So I think that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys found some information in this video, some entertainment, and I hope this was meaningful to you. Hope it helps you out. I hope it grows your channels. Please comment your channels and maybe I'll check them out and subscribe. Tell me what you guys do, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.